Making a specific use app. Now, for a long time, making an app was kind of out of the question unless you actually knew how to code yourself or knew someone who could do it for you. But nowadays, app development tools are getting so good that you need minimal or even no coding experience to build an application. Although if you have a specific idea for an app that needs a little bit of coding, all you need to do is hop on Fiverr and find a developer to help you out for a relatively low price. Now, there are many successful micro apps out there that serve a small audience and make a few $100s to a few $1,000s a month with little to no maintenance. So here is a tiny app that's for sale right now. It makes between $100 and $300 a month, and all it does is track your skincare routine. There are thousands, if not millions of apps just like this, making a little bit of money every single month with very little work. Now, depending on the size of your app and what you have in mind for functionality, it can get expensive hiring developers. However, simpler things can be done for a few hundred or a few $1,000s. And as a side note here, there's actually companies who will buy several of these tiny apps that don't take much management and then run a micro private equity company where they have 5 or 6 apps, all making them a few hundred or a few $1,000s a month. That's something you may want to look into. Thanks for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this content, make sure you subscribe to the main channel as well right here.